these three things, we must clear our inner selves from them before the start of Ramadan, to ensure that we are not among those who are outright disqualified from gaining the blessings of this month. What are those three things? Clean your heart. Forgive everyone of everything. Clean your heart of any malice, of any hatred, of any grudge that we may have for anyone, for whatever reason. No matter what they have done, forgive them for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Tonight, think of all those, take out that little book that we carry in our hearts, strike out all the names, turn away that page and just throw it forever. Take it out from our books, forgive everyone. Number two, reflect, think that who is it that we are not on talking terms with in our families. If there are such relationships, initiate and say sorry. Even if you are not at fault, even if they are 100% at fault, say something to say that let's tie up again. You would have done your part by initiating that conversation. If there's no reciprocation, then it's not on you, but initiate that. Number three is invest in this gold mine, which is your parents. Invest in them. Invest in them. In whatever way possible, invest in them.